I kind of got interested in real estate for a little while, but that required way too much work, and so I decided I needed to find something that was a little easier to do.
I think the idea of the boot camp is what a lot of us need to just push us through the barriers that we face individually.
At a boot camp, there aren't as many people, and you get a lot of one-on-one attention, and there's always somebody to ask a question.
I got interested in trading because my current job, I place a lot of risk as a stunt performer, and I wanted to try and have a safe backup so that if I get really hurt, I can still provide for my family on the computer at home.